Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you are liking the content which I am uploading, please like my videos and subscribe my channel as a token of appreciation or as motivation for me to keep on working, keep on collecting these ideas. Please support my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and please write and comment if you want to watch something special in home decoration or architecture. Today we are bringing you the ideas of room separators. Room dividers are a beautiful piece of art. They can provide you more peace and privacy, and that can provide you a chance to decorate your room differently accordingly as your dining room, your TV room, or your drawing room. So a perfect room divider should serve its purpose, which is to look good as a decorative background. It can be a privacy screen, or it can be a curtain to partition a room, or define the boundary of a space. So room divider, there are tremendously big wide choices in selecting a room divider. There is a wide selection of styles available, so you can choose them according to your personal choice. This catalog is going to help you in deciding that you can buy some printed canvas room dividers or cotton canvas. And cotton canvas room dividers, they are on wood frames, but which are lightweight wood frames. There are also folding screen room dividers, and they are made with sturdy wood frames which are strong, which are movable, and they can be wrapped with art quality canvas, which is also lightweight, and which have portable decorative screens. They have very distinct prints, unique art prints, and there can be many images on both sides of the divider. These dividers are offered in different sizes in 3, 4, and 6 inches. So they are providing you a chance to fully cover the length of the area, and there are inkjet printing, and these are an art quality canvas. This allows um, making of classic European and Asian art prints and gallery quality photographs. They can be digitally enhanced, cropped, and they can be made in beautifully printed canvas. There are some decorative floor screens. They work as beautiful room dividers, and photos of classical architecture, some old sculptures, and cityscapes or skylines, the landscapes. They all can be printed on panel canvas dividers. So they make practical, portable, and elegant screens. There are hanging roll-up dividers. They can be installed with two hooks screwed into the ceiling, and they are 6 feet wide. So it's important to find sizes that are if not more they should be 6 feet, so it can provide privacy. And they are also found in beautiful colors of stained bamboo designs and wood matchstick, shogi wallpaper. This is also available in variety of colors of fabric, roll-up window blinds, and they are a convenient privacy screen, these window blinds, but they can be used in an apartment or bedroom and they are very easy to operate. So they are also providing barrier partition and a boundary. So, but they are not stitched together tightly, and we cannot. So it's important to check the if allow visibility or not,